Straight face and we leaning.
Top 97. 97 Boston.
The most dangerous.
On a single lady.
Follow me. Bell Star. You remember me.
As we go.
No headphones in Harlem.
On a single lady.
Follow me.
It's your boy DJ Mel Star, alongside NOE, No Star Radio, aka I'll show you how to do this every Thursday from midnight to 2 a.m. Hot 97.
What's poppin'? It's the one and only DJ Chubby Chub. Heavy hitters, you know what it is. Heavy leaning every day, all day. No Star Radio.
Straight from Harlem. I'm in B-Town, on a Thursday night. Every Thursday. That's
12 to
crazy.
2.
12 to 2.
With your co-host.
With my co-host NOE.
We here, man. We leaning into Boston, man. It's crazy.
Oh,
I started off the hour by saying, man, it is a different type of Boston tea party up here, okay? Thursday nights, man. No Star Radio. It goes down, man. And boys from New York City are here live and direct. And our Yankee fitters is Babe Ruth Sirius right now. I gotta say, man, I'm a Giant fan. I'm gonna put it out there for the state of Massachusetts.
Yeah, you're really killing yourself.
No
right
love,
now.
no loss. I gotta say it though. I'm standing with the big blue, man. I'm telling you.
It's nice color. I like
Right.
blue. I like blue.
So after the Super Bowl, when we come back,
all right,
I'm
gonna let you tell it.
We'll be back. We're gonna talk about it.
NOE, what's good?
Man, we living large right now, man. I'm feeling great, man.
You smell it?
Woo! I'm on top of the Prudential building right now, Mel. It's crazy.
I smell something, man.
Crazy enough, though, man. Your man DMX is taking a plane ride home after seeing his baby mama, okay, Mel? And let me tell you something, brother. He ate some bad shrimp.
Right on the plane? Oh, my God. You know, how does that feel?
You're not going anywhere.
You're not going anywhere right now.
And, you know, being on the top of it.
Yeah, my dogs.
Here we go.
My stomach hurt. Turbulence. You just take off.
Bad shrimp, bad turbulence.
Oh, man. Not a good look.
Bad situation. And on top of that, man, listen, TMZ released today that actually Tracy Morgan was also rushed to the hospital. He was unconscious, man. It's crazy. And what's funny is once he got out of the hospital, he tweeted that Superman ran into a little kryptonite. The high altitude in Utah shook up this kid from Brooklyn, man. I'm telling you, man. Tracy Morgan, I hope you're doing well. NOE and Mel Star wishes you the best from No Star Radio. Hot 97 Boston. It goes down Thursday nights, 12 midnight to 2 a.m. in the morning, okay? The boys from Harlem, the boys from the BX are here. William Gone, O Cash Flow, okay? It's really heavy up here right now. Chubby Chub, man, I appreciate the assistance on the wing right now, man. We rocking and rolling, Mel.
It's early, man. Y'all getting it together. We trying, man. We working hard. I told her, I was like, look, man, you come up here, look, Chubb got to go on Smash.com. So, like, if you're trying to come up here, you know, you gotta put that work in, and it gotta be right. We gonna call this the brother mix. Word up. Shouts out to Tess Smooth on the next one. Hold out.
This is
Straight face, we leaning.
97 Boston.
I can see the stars all the way from here. Can't you see the unknown door?
Hot 97 Boston.
Feel the sun whenever you're near. Every time.
Oh my God, hold up.
Melt away. Everybody ask me why I'm smiling.
What he said?
Here to hear. I know.
We straight in the clubs with this right here. Y'all know what it is, Mel Star, aka the most. It just feels so good right now. Hold on, let's rock out.
What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Yours truly, as he represent Hot 97 Boston, rocking out my man Mel Star, NOE in the building every Thursday, midnight 2 a.m. You know what it is. They show you how to do it, baby. Hot 97 Boston, what's poppin'?